How to fix your iPhone is not letting you delete apps. So if I head over to my iPhone home screen and I'm just going to hold my finger down on an app like this, if I now click on Remove App, you can see I have the option to remove this from the home screen, but I can't actually permanently delete this from my phone. Now, to go and fix this issue, you'll first need to open up your settings on your iPhone, and then you can just scroll down this page and click on Screen Time. Scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. You may need to enter your screen time password in order to access these settings. Now just bear in mind that this is different from your iPhone's passcode. Now once you're on this window, you can select iTunes and App Store purchases. You can then select deleting apps and just make sure this option is set to allow. You could then head back over to your iPhone home screen, go and hold down on the app you want to delete. You could then press remove app once again. And as you can see now, we have the option to delete the app. Click on this. It will say, are you sure you want to delete? Just press delete. And that's how to fix the issue where your iPhone is not letting you delete apps.